This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features two slideouts, a Pebble interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, oven, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, spare tire kit, smoke detector, slideout, self-contained, Colorado detector, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 295RL is 9,140 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.